I'm going to show you how to make your feather stitch. So what you want to do is come along to your next stitch you're going to work. You're going to look for the ladders in between. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to go 5 ladders below and put your stitch in below that 5th ladder. And then I'm using a contrasting yarn so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to pull that out and stretch it as far as I can go. Now I'm going to be going between the 4th and the 5th stitch, or the 5th and the 4th stitch. And I'm going to grab that and pull that back. Between the 3rd and the 2nd stitch, or the 4th and the 3rd stitch. Sorry, math, not good. All right, pull it out. The 3rd and the 2nd stitch, stretch it out, and then the 2nd and the 1st stitch, and you should have 5 stitches on your right hand needle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to work this stitch, just knit it like normal, and what you're going to do is pull the last stitch over top of all the other stitches. And then you're going to pull the last stitch over top of all the other remaining stitches. And then you're going to pull the last stitch over top of all the remaining stitches, the last stitch over top of the remaining 2 stitches, and the final stitch over the stitch on top. This one's already been worked, so it can stay on the right hand side of your needle. And you've got this lovely looking, get that there, lovely looking feather that you've got happening here. And then you're just going to work your regular stitches as normal.